Hi, hi, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Good to see you again. You come back on the channel, eh? I like that. Thank you for coming. I hope you subscribe, eh? So you can always come back and hear what I have to say. If you like what I say and you agree with me, if you don't agree with me, that's okay. That is fine if you don't agree with me. You can leave your comment and let me know what you think. How is that? But subscribe though. Okay. So listen, let me ask you something. And this is serious, very serious. Somebody was bright enough to send me a video of this woman, and I don't know what else to say, but people have gone crazy. Why would you pin another woman in the bedroom because she's sleeping with your man and you're going to kill her? You're going to kill her. You're going to want to kill her, attempt to kill her, to stab her because she's with your man. Who give you the authority to say that you're going to try to take somebody's life over a man? Is so the penny good? Is it that good that you're willing to give up your life, your livelihood, your freedom for walk road over a little penny? I don't care how it good. It could make you forget your name. It could make you speak in Spanish. It could do all these manner of things. It's not worth it for you. Now, let me tell you something. When you stab up the woman and she dies, say she dies, thank the Lord this one never died. But the woman that did it is in custody. But let me ask you, when you stab her and she's dead, does that stop the man from going to take 10 more women out there and do the same thing he was doing with this one where you just killed? No, remember, your life over because you're in lockup in the penitentiary. Turn girlfriend to some big woman that named Mama Jane, okay? He is out here having a grand old time, totally forget about you while you in their grain, okay? And he's making some other woman talk Spanish and forget her name. It's not worth it. It is not worth it. There are other men, listen, there are other penny out there that will do the same job and sometimes even better. And you don't have to kill nobody for it. You understand? It is not worth it. Ladies, don't give up your livelihood and your life over no penny. I don't care how big, how little, how big, how whatever. Do not do it because the man don't care. He does not care. Because if he cared, he would not put you in the predicament of you having to go attack a woman over him. That is madness. Have some self-esteem. Know your self-worth. Love yourself more than you love him. Why you love him more than you love yourself? Because you gotta love him more than you. That's why you are going to put yourself in that. To say it's my man. It's not your man, It's not your own. You borrow him because trust me, somebody else out there saying that he's my man. And another person saying is my man. Because what is it? That's how men are. That's how men are. And even the ones that don't cheat, that say they don't cheat, they think about it every damn day. Every day they think about it. And if that's because a lot of them is because they don't get the chance to cheat. That's why they don't cheat. But men, they think with their little penny. And that's their brain. That's where their brains are. I know y'all men gonna come for me. I know. That's all right. That's okay. But y'all know, so you think with your penny. Because as soon as a fractal pass you and it blow up, the penny start talking. Talking all kind of gibberish to you. So that's how men are. So once we know how men are, And that's how they think. You are not going to expect anything else. You know that, you know what? There may be a girl out there and he's going to cheat. Men are short. Let me tell you something. Men are short. There is twice as much women on this earth than there are men. What are these women to do? No, seriously. You want them to turn lesbian? Would you like them to turn lesbian? Just like how you want the man, is so them want the man too. Some women are desperate. I'm not saying all women. Some women are very desperate for a man. And they will take anybody's man that they see. Understand that. And a lot of these side girls, they don't know their place still. And I understand that part too. But you don't have to kill nobody for nobody. They don't know their place. Box up the thing a little bit. But don't try to kill the girl. Why you want to take her life just over a little peony? No, put her in her place. Put her over the side and say, girl, know your place. Don't step to me. Don't let me see your face. I don't want to know you. You're not my friend. And the men, you all men, need to put your side pieces in check. You have your main woman, you have your wife, you put them in check. If that's the case, I am not saying it's right. That's not what I'm saying. But I'm saying if that's the case and that's how you have to live your life for whatever reason, put the side pieces them in check. Let them know them lane. Stay in your lane over there. Don't step to your main lady, your wife or whomever. Them bright, them all bright, but still it's their life and nobody don't deserve to lose their life. She never kill nobody. She never kill anybody. All she do is take your little peony. That's it. That she does not deserve to lose her life over that or get stabbed up. That is not right. Leave the side pieces them alive. Don't kill them. As I said, slap them up a little bit and make them know them place, make them stay in them lane. If that's the lifestyle that you live. If that's your lifestyle, I'm not saying that's a right lifestyle. You understand? Because if it was me, that's a different thing. Because I'm going to kick her ass right to the curb. I ain't going to kill her. I ain't going to kill her. And that's what I'm saying. You don't need to kill anybody for anything like that. Life, we can't give life. So why we going to take a person's life? Just over a little peony? A little peony. You know how much good woman, you know how much good man out there with good peony? You won't make your life ruin over one little one. Man, no sir. That's not right. Anyway, I will see y'all again in another video where I talk my mind. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? I'm depending on you. All right? See you again.